Hello students, welcome to CS Academy. In this session, I will explain you the importance of fluid flow analysis and what are the different methods for the analysis of fluid flow and why we are using different methods, why can't we analyze with a single method, and everything, all doubts you have, you can clear with this session. Okay. Before going into the session, first we should know what is the need of analyzing the fluid flow here. Okay. The need of analysis of fluid flow means here let us consider a fluid is flowing like this. Okay. Here the fluid is flowing from the left to the right direction like this, and if you want to find the temperature, pressure, density, or the acceleration, velocity, like the different the values of the fluid is very difficult. Okay, for this calculation of all these values, there are different methods came into the picture. Okay, out of all those, the first one is a important one, Lagrangian method. Okay, Lagrangian method. This is the first important method to find these positions or to describe the fluid motion wherever it is having the temperature, pressure, density, velocity, acceleration like this. The first scientist, that is Lagrangian, came into the picture to describe the motion. Okay. To understand the Lagrangian method here, I am considering one example like this. Let us consider the fluid is flowing from the left to the right direction like this. Okay. In the left direction, the starting point, there are different fluids points are there like this. Okay, I am considering one single particle like this. Let us consider this is the first point here. Okay, and this first point, this is the first fluid which is taking the position like this. Okay, it is taking the position of this fluid. This having the path of the fluid is like this. Okay, at the time 1 second, that is the, let us consider the time t1, the fluid is here. After some time, what is happening here? The fluid is changing the position with respect to time at t2. Okay, after some time, what is happening? At time t3, the position is changing like this. Like this, whenever is fluid particle is taking the position from the time to time like this, we are analyzing a single fluid particle by following the path of this particle. Okay, and describing the motion of this fluid particle. After describing this motion of this fluid particle, we are we are giving that same position, same analysis to the total fluid particles. Okay, we are giving that same analysis to the total fluid particles. This is given by the Lagrangian. Okay, this is given by Lagrangian. That is, in Lagrangian method, what we are doing here means a single fluid particle is described, a single fluid particle is described by following its path, and the description is what about the velocity, density, temperature, pressure like this. Okay, after describing a single fluid particle, we are applying the same analysis to the total fluid particles which are flowing in the direction. Okay, this is told by the Lagrangian method. To understand this Lagrangian method very clearly, here let us consider one example, best example. Here let us consider you are a photographer and you love birds and you are taking some pictures of birds. Okay, and here if you see, let us consider this is a tree number 1, this is tree number 2, and this is the third tree like this. And there is one bird which is flying in the sky, and at time t1 it is at some position. After some time, what is happening? At time t2, the bird is flying in the sky and came into this tree number 1. Okay, and here you are taking the picture of this bird, and you are taking the picture of this bird like this. Okay, after some time, what is happening? At time t is equal t3, the bird came from this tree number 1 to this tree number 2. Okay, and here again you are taking the picture of this bird, and again similarly here this bird come to here, and again you are taking the picture like this. Okay, and at each and every time you are following this bird, you are following the path of this bird, and you are taking the pictures. Yes or no? Here To follow this path, you have to take some distance. You have to follow along the path of this bird. Okay, but it is very difficult to follow this bird and taking the pictures. So that to analyze a single fluid particle along with this direction, it is very difficult. So that we are not using the Lagrangian method. Okay, we are not using the Lagrangian method because of its difficulty. Yes or no? So to avoid this difficulty of Lagrangian method, one more method came into the picture. Okay, that is Eulerian method. Okay, in this Eulerian method, what is happening? Let us consider the flow is like this, and the flow is from left to the right direction like this, and at starting point there are different fluid particles are there like this. Okay, and in this Eulerian method, to avoid the difficulty of Lagrangian method, what here we are doing means we are standing at a fixed position like this. Let us consider you are standing here, and at each and every time, let us consider this is the boundary, and each and every time each fluid particle is coming like this and crossing this boundary. And let us consider this is fluid number 1, fluid number 2, fluid number 3 like this, and at a certain time t is equal to t1, the fluid particle 1 will cross this boundary. During the crossing of this fluid particle, you are analyzing the position, that is the temperature, pressure, density, like this. All these values are you are calculating by whenever it is crossing this boundary. Like that, you are not moving anywhere in this Eulerian method. You are standing at a fixed position. You are analyzing each and every point which is crossing this boundary. Okay, this is told by Eulerian. So that because here you are not moving anywhere, you are not taking any risk to analyze each and every fluid particle. So that it is easier than the Lagrangian method. Okay, here to understand clearly this Eulerian method. Similarly, whatever we take a previous example like a bird and tree, here I will take here. Let us consider you are standing here. You fixed your camera to a stand like this. Okay, let us consider this is the camera, and whenever a bird, let us consider this is one bird which is flying in the sky like this. Okay, whenever this bird crossing this a fixed position where you are standing here, whenever it is crossing this boundary, your fixed position, you are taking the picture. And this is the first particle. Let us consider this is the first particle, and after flying this bird to the some other place, and the second bird came into the picture, and this second bird again crossing this boundary, you are taking the picture and you are analyzing the position of that bird, that means that particle. Like this, you are standing in a fixed position, you are analyzing each and every fluid particle whenever it is crossing the boundary. Okay, when compared with the Lagrangian method, this Eulerian method, you are not taking any risk to analyze the fluid particle motion. So that we are avoiding this Lagrangian method, and the important method, that is Eulerian method, came into the picture to analyze the fluid flow method. Okay, and because of this difficulty in Lagrangian method, we are not using this Lagrangian method in our fluid mechanics. Okay, this is a method we are not using in our fluid mechanics to analyze the fluid motion, and the only method we are using in our fluid mechanics is Eulerian method. Okay, we are using the method which is to analyze the fluid motion, that is the Eulerian method. Okay, these are the two very important methods to analyze the fluid properties like our temperature, pressure, density, viscosity, or whatever it may be. Whatever we want, we can analyze with the help of these two methods, and the best method is the Eulerian method. Okay, I hope you got the point here with the help of this bird and camera. Okay, and this is a total about the analysis of fluid flow. Okay, I hope you got the point, and this is total about this session. And thank you for watching my video. Please subscribe my channel and share and like the videos. Thank you.